So hello once again, and today I'm going to tell you real quick. Many of you have been asking me if I've got a lot of followers, if I've been doing videos for ages, do I still use the actual iPhone 13 or any old iPhone to record. I'm currently recording with a 16 Pro, but it is true that I sometimes use this one. Well, I'm going to tell you right off the bat. So I started with this iPhone. This iPhone was my first recording iPhone back in the 2020 era, and I just think it was pretty much amazing. And I think it may be kind of nostalgia, maybe that they do actually record pretty well. And I personally think I've always told this on the channel that old iPhones should be upgraded once there's an improvement, a notorious improvement. And currently, at least as I've seen, the videos I currently do with the iPhone S16 Pro and with the actual old iPhones are pretty much standard the same. They work pretty well. They are well videos done, kind of, in a sense that you do not notice the difference. But acquiring a new iPhone 16 Pro can be around $1,500. Meanwhile, you can get an iPhone 13 for, I would say, at least $300. You get one, no doubt. So my humble opinion is just buy what you enjoy, but it should make sense, at least economic sense. And for most of us, $1,500 is a lot of money. And I currently think that with the three actual iPhones we've got for recording is more than enough. And that's my humble opinion on why I still own an old iPhone. Let me know in the comments why you still own an old iPhone.